Hello guys, welcome to my easy and simple tutorial YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to add new pages on Shopify. First of all, we will log in Shopify store, then go online store and click on the pages. You can add a contact us page to your Shopify store to let customers get in touch with you. Okay, we will add a page, add a title and add the content of your page. Alright, here. Okay, here. And check the visibility. You can also make your page visible or hidden. I will choose visible and select the template of this page. You can select the page content. Each Shopify store has on template for contact us page. You can choose easily and save it. Alright, page was created and we will link this page to our Shopify store. Okay, how to add? We will click on the navigation bar. Alright, decide if you would like this content page in the footer menu, main menu and main menu. Okay, we will add on footer menu. Select and add menu item, name, contact us and link pages. Alright, contact us and click on add. Alright, save. Okay, and click on this online store and see the changes we have added on footer area of the Shopify store. Okay, I have been changed added. Click on this. Wow, is the contact us page, your content, and this one is the content form. You can your customer can add name, email, phone number and any message or comment here and send to your email. And you can also add the main menu of your store. How to add? On the online store to see changes. Alright, this is our contact us page on main menu. Your customer can easily reach out. Okay. Alright, if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching my